Hi everyone! In this video training, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Google Chrome from a Mac. Before we start, we need to quit Google Chrome browser. Here you can see there is a dot below the Google Chrome icon. That means Google Chrome browser is running. But Google Chrome browser must not be running. So we need to quit this browser. To quit this browser, right click on this icon and here you can see quit. Click quit. Now we can uninstall Google Chrome browser. Okay friends, now open Finder. Here you can see Finder. Click on it. And here you can see application. Just click on application. And you can search for Google Chrome here. But we can see it here. Just click on it. Now we have two options. We can drag and drop on this bin. Or we can right click. And here you can see move to trash. Just click move to trash. Our application is removed. Now we have another step. Here you can see bin. We need to clean the trash bin. Just right click on it and click on empty trash. Click empty trash. Now the Google Chrome browser is completely uninstalled from our system. If you find this video helpful, like it and subscribe to my channel.